In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Path of Exile 2 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find these great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game at Steam first before we can proceed to another website to download it. So go to Steam. After that we will go to the search bar and search for the game Path of Exile. Click on it and scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this is an early access game, so it is still in development, but things can change in the future. So what you need to do is check this one. This is the early access supporter pack, and the supporter pack starts at €27.75. But we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is click on the link in the description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this website. Now search for the same game, Path of Exile 2, and search for the game. And now what we do is go to the Steam option over here at platforms, click on it, and then we will sort price lowest first. As you can see, if we scroll down, this game, the early access supporter pack, is already available from €15.45 instead of €27.75. So that saves you a lot of money. Click on it. After that you can purchase this game through this website and you will receive an email confirmation with an official Steam activation key to activate this game and download it on Steam. And this is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!